and suppose there was the parliament which was like your senate, separately elected.
Senate is upper house, then there is lower house.
Upper house
Both
and
houses
lower
have
house,
got
both houses.
very divided role.
Now today,
decided role.
Today if Narendra Modi says the sky is green, the whole parliament votes the sky is green. Okay, there is nobody in the parliament who can oppose him because he has brute majority both in the upper house and in the lower house. Just if I may complete.
Sure.
Okay, this is the situation which happens in India. Everyone gravitates towards power. So if Uddhav Thackeray is the chief minister, then all small parties will dovetail into him, and opposing a chief minister is unheard of. So we don't even need the party whip. We know that everybody and all his allies will fall in line. So if Uddhav Thackeray says A is cabinet minister here, B is cabinet minister there, C is cabinet minister there, the entire assembly is going to give him the mandate that yes, whatever you're saying is fine. We are suffering from in India, power is concentrated, power is brutal, and people just fold their knees against power. My main objection to a presidential form of governance is the absolute powers that one individual is given. Where in India we have seen that when absolute power is not even given, when even the chief minister and the prime minister is supposed to be reporting to his parliament or his assembly, he is a member who reports to them. Yet he is treated like a god and deified, and any appointments that he makes are just accepted by everyone. How will you change the basic fiber of people and suddenly they will start opposing? And you are talking about institutions like the FBI.
Let me answer this question. President is absolute power. This is a total.
No, my main objection is he has absolute power in appointing his cabinet with the approval.
How can it be absolute? The Senate has to confirm it. Sir? Now that kind of presidential democracy, what you say, there are presidential democracies where president's cabinet cannot be questioned. It doesn't require confirmation. When you say presidential democracy, there are up-till tens of models. There are presidential democracy where what you rightly say, the president is elected and he has full power. Sir, there are models.
But I am saying about your model. You suggested.
So that is what I am trying to distinguish. Here in this model, the cabinet president has no power unless the Senate confirms it. Now, what question you say? Okay, if person like Narendra Modi comes and his party is in majority, now that happens in USA. There are instances where president's party is in majority, but the Senate has no vested interest because the senators are elected, not endorsed by the president, or governors are elected, not endorsed by the president. There is not a single election in USA where the president has come in the state and endorsed for the governor ki isko vote do. What is happening here? Narendra Modi is endorsing even every MP's election. Udhar jaake he tries to influence. There it is not so the governor is independently elected. Not only that, president ki cabinet ko even governor has got their own independence. Whether here what is happening is the absolute power is in this system. Where sitting at Delhi, who is going to be the chief minister if the same party is in power will be decided at Delhi. Which is not so in presidential democracy. The governors are directly elected. So they have got their own freedom.
So if I may
I am trying to answer it. And there I now come to the checks and balances.
No, I would just like to complete the conversation that we are having. You have mentioned not which one, I'm saying a presidential format wherein the executive has the right to appoint his cabinet, which will be approved by the Senate. Okay, I am telling you, that's one. I'm discussing only this limited point. Okay, I am saying this limited point is lethal in a country like India, where cronyism and nepotism are part of our everyday life. Even if I own this hotel, I will first try to give jobs to my family, friends and relatives. Then I will go and look in the market. So in any business, in any household, in anything, because we've had so many years of family businesses, our culture is nepotistic, our culture is tilted towards cronyism. So if Mr. X was the chief minister of a state, he would make a cabinet of people who he would you see, we are talking about a very corrupt.
First of all, his cabinet has to be professional.
No, that's one minute.
Start writing the point. Here the cabinet will be absolutely from the politicians who have no background.
No. see, I may have an architect in my family, I'll have a CA in my family, I have a doctor in my
Right,
family.
right. No. Why will you prefer? Because your performance is from your team. If your own person in your family is not competent, why will you take him? Because your
Because
performance
corruption.
will be no.
Sir,
your
because of-
performance. No,
Sir,
you
you're
are
not letting me
elected
complete
by
my
the
point.
entire. No, you are elected by the entire
So
country.
you're not letting me complete my point
Yeah,
at
sure,
all.
okay.
I am saying that corruption is the main motive of Indian politicians. Okay? If you
I'll
think
come
that
to corruption part.
so no, what if we start believing that the main motive of a politician is to provide efficient governance, then we are believing in utopia in India. That is not the truth. The truth of any person who wants to contest an election today in India, 99% of the time, it is because he wants to make money from the system. Corruption is endemic, okay? If today Mr. X is the chief minister, he will make people who are his cabinet ministers who will assist him in two things. One is making money and two is staying in power. This is the only goal of an Indian politician today. Making money and staying in power. That is all. The goal of an Indian politician is not to provide efficient governance. They do not bank on that to come in. You are saying that the Senate is exclusive and therefore the Senate will not approve if he's made his brother. One minute. One minute, sir.
Once you finish only.
Yes, so let me complete my point. Let me just complete my point. You are saying the Senate is exclusive because they are independently elected. Now, technically, our MLAs are also independently elected. They are not elected by some one person, but they get the ticket to fight from a party. In the Senate also, they will get a ticket to fight from the party. Whether I get that ticket to become a Senate member or not is dependent on the party, and the party is not going to give me a ticket if I am going to oppose my own chief minister. Right? 1 minute, sir. So the Senate usually falls in line. The reason why a parliament of 300 and whatever 40 people, 340 people who are with the BJP all fall in line is because they all want that ticket again. They want to come back into power again. That is why they fall in line. They may be personally totally against what is happening. Okay, there is a Maneka Gandhi who votes in favor of a law which is going to damage the environment, and she is an environmentalist. But she votes in favor of it because otherwise she may not get a ticket next time. So
there's a party stand.
Because if that's the party stand, they all vote in favor of whoever is the person who is the 1 minute executive head. So for me to imagine a scenario in India where an executive head can choose a professional cabinet who are not elected members and therefore have no accountability to the people is a scenario I cannot imagine in this country.
Are you completed?
Yes, sir.
Now you said about the tickets. Now this very fundamental thing was a part of all the political system. In USA also, this was the same thing. The tickets were distributed by the party bosses. Like BJP. Who will get the tickets? This was the same scenario in USA. How they broke this whole nexus was the party bosses never distribute the tickets. They have no right to give the tickets. Who will get the ticket? The ticket will be given to the people who are elected by the people. This is the very fundamental thing, how they broke the nexus. There in USA, whether it is municipal councillor, whether it is state MLA, whether it is governor, whether it is senator, the party hierarchy has no role to give the tickets, absolutely. And this reform came over a period of time. This is the evolution. Now, how that evolution came? It was the same scenario there. अपने स्टूडेंट्स को टिकट देंगे naturally because they want, they will be comfortable if they are elected as MLA. My tenure is also secure. I want to get into cabinet. I want to be elected as a chief minister. Same scenario. So what they did was the primary system of election. Now this I have covered the whole evolution of primary system of election, and that has helped the USA to continue to have the two-party system. Now what is primary system? You are working here, you are known in your circle here, you are doing very good social work. People know you, yes, your character is good, you are honest, and you want to enter the politics. Is it possible in this country to enter politics for an honest, forthright person and get the ticket? Initially it was a Congress party, like majority, whatever. Now Congress party initially we were getting good candidates initially because that reputation from Mahatma Gandhi, Patel was there. And we knew, Congress का जो है अच्छा रहेगा. What happened? Have you ever analyzed over a period of time what happened to Congress party? It is because of this exact thing what you are saying. Okay, over a period of time, the tickets started getting distributed to those first who were in good books of the party bosses. First, then it came to those who can give the funding to the parties. And it even came down to the mafias. They are capable not only to give funding, but they are capable to get enough votes so that you get an MLA. These are the same scenario. So they broke the nexus completely. Absolutely no say of the party hierarchy or bosses in distributing ticket. Democrat Party or Republican Party, you want to enter politics. You contest the primary. In your area, all the voters of Democrat will elect you. And that is where they are bound to give you tickets. How so many Indians got into the politics in USA, you are saying, is because of this system. With the present system, it would have never happened over there. So this primary was made mandatory. Today, primary is mandatory for all the posts. Nobody has ever analyzed. When I talked to Venkat Chale, now I said how the whole politics has deteriorated. Congress party, शुरू में देखो, आगे देखो, degeneration, because the party bosses start dictating and the parties degenerate. And why so many new parties are being formed? Had Congress party maintained this tradition, and in this, I don't say it is a perfect system. This system gives a chance to honest people who have established their credential in their constituency or in their whatever hierarchy to get direct nomination. Is there any discussion on this? And then I talked to Venkatachala, okay, why only two parties have continued to maintain? Because honest people know, okay, I am in tune with Democratic Party, I am in India, NRI there, but I find Democratic Party is more suitable to my view. I want to get into politics. I don't have to go in Maska Palace or किसी का पैर नहीं चुनना पड़ेगा मेरे को. I'll contest the primary. I win the primary. I will even get the governor's role.
Sir, how will you win the primary?
Because of my popularity in my constituency. I have done my work. People know. And even if I have not done my work, my background will be exposed. When I contest the primary, my background will go to all the people. Okay, what am I doing? What is my track record? That is not being vetted here. Here in a municipal councillor, I am going to vote for a person whose background I do not know. BJP has selected, Shiv Sena has selected, I am going to vote. This is not democracy. When you say democracy is of the people, for the people, by the people, Priti Ben, this is the fundamental democracy where people participate in selecting the candidates.
But sir,
this is now further. Let me continue.
the problem.
No, I am giving answer.
We are
how
moving
is
away from
what
the
access?
We are moving away from.
No, we are not moving away.
We are not moving away. This is a critical discussion.
This is a very critical discussion.
Presidential democracy.
No. Primary is a part of US.
But I feel that in India, primaries will be totally manipulated. Because in India...
Now see, if we say, okay, the possibility, okay, because I have gone to USA number of times, I have studied the primary elections. I don't see it is perfect, far better than your choice. Far better.
Feel that
you see the alternative.
Sir, I've heard
you
sir,
see,
I know about the primaries and I've heard about it.
Today माफिया को भी इधर टिकट देते हैं, बीजेपी देती है, कांग्रेस देती है, सबको.
सर मुझे दोनों सिस्टम्स पता है, मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि what you are imagining.
अच्छा, now no, they further reform. Okay, is it mandatory? Okay, I want to give vote to Democrat primary candidate, but still I am not into politics. Then some of the states have even gone further. Okay, you may not be belonging to any politics. This has helped the political parties to remain vibrant and rejuvenate themselves, because this is a very positive way. Okay, there is a people's participation, so that keeps
Sir,
interest.
you are talking about
Now,
an advanced educated culture. If in India that were allowed, listen to me,
that's
sir.
not advanced. This
Sir,
is the basic fundamental.
Sir, but I'm telling you, I'll give you a simple scenario in India. Suppose I want to stand for what president? There are
The president, we will not start directly as a president.
Sir, as a candidate, I want to start. I want to be a candidate. I'm giving my primaries. Okay, I'm standing for primaries as the BMC, as the councillor from my ward. Okay,
which party?
First, let's assume party number A.
No, party number A. This is where there also why the two parties have remained vibrant is because of the primary system.
Sir, let me
Today
talk.
more and more
So may I
parties
put
are
my question ahead? I'm just giving you the reality of India as I have seen it. I may sound like a cynic, but I have seen this reality. If I am A and if I have to win the primaries in order to become a candidate, I manipulate the people of my area to vote for me. And if better still, I am given a chance that any citizens can come and vote in the primary, I am sorted. I will pay 1,000 people money to come and vote for me. So that is even better for me. That if they don't have to be members of my party, say my party is called Party A, in like you say that in certain states they have opened it for any citizens who want to vote, that would be fantastic for me. I would make sure 1,000 citizens
Yeah, but
come.
that is also with a string. Anyway,
No,
I
I'm
have not
just telling
completed
you.
it.
I'm
I
giving
not
you.
completed it. Okay.
I'm telling you that in India, if I am a local leader of Party A from this area, my volunteers will vote for me, else I will stop their functioning. We have seen for a party as unimportant as the Aam Aadmi Party, in a Mofussil district where nobody goes, when we tried to hold elections, there were people who came and said, these are my 100 volunteers, they are voting for me, make me the president of this place, and the rest of the volunteers are 30. The rest of the volunteers have never seen these 100 volunteers before. But the person says, no, I have been there since Anna Andolan and I am so and so, and all these 100 people are my people. Then that man will just swing the election and take it away when he is not even the rightful member of the party. So we have seen that happening. Okay, we have seen that being demonstrated because we as a party tried very hard to elect our party organization, not our elected candidates or anything. Just elect people in a district to make the party organization, which will continue the functioning of the party. We have seen people are so clever in this country that they hijack even those elections with dummy voters or by browbeating voters. So this is the reality of India. And in this scenario, a primary happening antiseptically and clinically is something I cannot even imagine. A primary will be there'll be so much money involved in a primary then. There will be so much money paid to the volunteers to ensure that I get the ticket, that you will have the corruption starting more at the primaries level than at the state level.
So I just have something to add. Just one.
Yeah.
Hi. So
Can I
so this one thing. Before the Aam Aadmi Party, there was this party called the Lok Sabha Party. I was part of that, and we went to Hyderabad. Listen to this, please. This is
Yes, I'm
interesting.
listening.
So there was first an open primary, okay, and suddenly we found that the whole world had to basically come, and the worst candidate basically became our candidate because it was an open primary. It was the best candidate who would otherwise have been the nominee was rejected. Then we basically had a closed primary. But because of party constitution, we had to give notice for the last date of registration of the rolls and etc. That also got hijacked. So in both the cases, so I think we've done this. In both the cases, it was somehow manipulated by the opponent to ensure that the worst person basically ends up getting the nomination.
Winning the primary.
Yeah.
Now, see, what you are trying to say is one-off. See, what I am trying to
So
say,
it
the
has
whole
happened to
process,
both the parties and
evolves. Whole process evolves today. Because when I was in California, I studied the primary system. In a primary system, we assume that yes, when a system starts, it is never a perfect system. The evolution process starts, okay? The vibrancy of parties. See, today you have got so many parties. In USA, the vibrancy of two parties remained because the party process का जो रोल था वो practically निकल गया, and on merit आप बोलते हो, supposing in a constituency, if my track record is there, how many people will be bought over? There will be people who will come, okay, yes, there is a good candidate, and let us try if this good candidate is promoted. They will always, the process starts,
Aware people will come, but we don't have aware people.
People don't come to vote for the election,
नहीं,
expecting them to come to vote for a primary.
no, primary process starts.
That's
See,
also.
here you are, say you consider, okay, you say कि इधर तो पार्टी प्रोसेस, टिकट जो दिया उसका बैकग्राउंड देखो, लोगों को मालूम भी नहीं है किसको टिकट दिया. At least there is a process where in the primary the candidate themselves will start giving their background. So I assume कि only criminals को मैनिपुलेट करेंगे कि अच्छा आदमी को टिकट, अच्छा आदमी प्राइमरी कॉन्टेस्ट करेगा तो इलेक्ट ही नहीं होगा.
नहीं सर, इंडिया में नहीं होगा.
But see, this is where we start with a नेगेटिव bottleneck के लिए इधर हो ही नहीं सकता।
सर
अब
ये
इधर
मैं
नहीं
हम
हो ही
आपको
नहीं
अपना
सकता।
प्रैक्टिकल
But
एक्सपीरियंस
then-
बता रहे हैं सर।
पर इधर नहीं हो सकता है, then continue with the present road.
No,
Why,
sir,
why
I-
have an open mind for discussion? You
Sir,
have to
I am-
continue.
I- in
And
fact,
the
I-
same process was there, but with the primary the change came about. Obama का कोई नाम भी नहीं सुना था. Obama would have never got the ticket as a president. Believe me, it was only because of primary of all the states put together, Obama got the nomination. You see, the other side, so many Indians even as a governor got the nomination. तो क्या बोलता है, पूरा गवर्नर का मैनिपुलेट किया होगा? नहीं.
सर उधर नहीं किया, मैं अपने देश की बात
जब
कर रही
अपने
हूँ
देश
सर।
में गवर्नर की प्राइमरी के लिए टिकट पार्टी देगी तो पूरा स्टेट को मैनिपुलेट होएगा? नहीं होएगा. How the good candidate, Kennedy for example, Kennedy's name was not heard, but when his track record went everywhere, and we started winning the primary, the party had to give him the ticket. So overall, the possibility of getting good people. So you cannot say that with this system I am going to get foolproof answer. No. With that mindset, if you want foolproof answer, let us not discuss it. You have to see an open mind, the possibilities. Okay? You are frustrated. Congress today is a party of, over a period of wide degenerated. The whole degeneration took place because whole process of giving tickets, किसको किसको अपना सन को दिया, अपना सन इन लोग को दिया, पॉलिटिक्स में कौन कौन आए? You see the whole hierarchy, everywhere, every state, उद्धव ठाकरे, बाल ठाकरे, उसका लड़का, whole hierarchy is giving ticket to whom?
So the same is in BJP also.
Yeah, so that is because of your system. Because of your system. Okay. This is because of the system. You are not happy with the system.
Sir, in
And
this
still we
fantastic
don't want to
presidential
wait.
system,
No, I am not saying president. I am saying that don't assume
Ivanka
that presidential democracy
and Jared
is going to
Kushner.
give depend. If you start with an assumption, okay, I want a system which will give me 90 out of 100, let us not discuss it.
No,
You
sir.
say, what is the, you take a piece of paper, okay, the level of candidates here, the caliber of candidates here, the level of cabinet here, the legislative process, the accountability. In fact, I wanted a discussion to start from mayor. Okay, see how I had stayed in New York City. There is a mayor who is fully accountable. He is the best of the team. अभी आप बोलो वो टीम भी क्रोनी रहेगी. अरे बाबा 10 में से 2 क्रोनी हो सकते हैं उसके. बाकी के 6 अच्छे भी है. उसका बैकग्राउंड देखो.
Directly
I
elected mayor.
realize.
So directly elected mayor has merit. Only if the mayor is empowered to take decisions.
here
Not
we
only
are
that,
not
is what we are
imagining a
saying.
directly empowered.
Then we are discussing the merits of
A
presidential
directly
democracy.
elected mayor as well as a mayor having full freedom to make any citizens his cabinet.
Not any citizen, mainly the professional who are not a
No,
part of the
that is a
cabinet.
guideline. So there will be professionals, right? So I have a brother who's a doctor. I have a sister who's an architect. I have a sister-in-law who's a chartered accountant. I have a brother-in-law who's... So they will be all professional. But they will be my friend's family.
Yeah, but you
Right?
didn't mention about the checks, the confirmation.
The
has to
checks
come.
is confirmation
The
has to come
confirmation
from the
is-
assembly.
See, the US cabinet
House.
is what I tell
The
you.
house will be
November 1st week, the cabinet president is elected. His cabinet and he's taking over in the 3rd week of January.
28th Jan.
Right.
Around that.
What is the whole process? The whole process is his cabinet. He has to select his entire cabinet, propose whatever potentials, submit it to the concerned committees of Senate, and the Senate is totally empowered. There is not that senators belong to his own party, so they have to endorse it.
No, but we saw
They-
what happened in the impeachment conviction.
Yeah, but impeachment में भी 56 अब तो हुआ ना 6 change
57.
57 तक तो गया ना इधर तो now you have to compare the scenario. His whole cabinet has to be approved by the Senate. If Senate rejects it, there are hundreds of cases where not only the cabinet, the entire team down the line, cabinet, next deputy secretary, all complete confirmation has to be given by the Senate committee. In Senate committee, senators are not ministers. They are totally independent to play their role as a Senate, as a legislature. Here we have mixed up.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. But
Now-
like I said, the MLA basically becomes the MLA is the legislator, but the MLA is perceived to be a representative of the executive. कि हाँ तुम elected representative हो तो तुम करके दो. That is
And then cabinet comes from the MLAs. See, you see the worst part. He sees saying about that. What is your cabinet? Your cabinet is from MLAs who have zero background of the portfolio. I have seen
So
people
bigger,
heading the urban development portfolio doesn't know what is the FSI concept in city of Mumbai. अरे क्या करेगा? There, okay, he is an architect, he is a crony, but at least he is knowledgeable. एंड 10 में से 2 crony रहेगा, but I have seen some of the best talent and कोई भी कैबिनेट अभी देखो टुडे यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रम्प, उसकी कैबिनेट के लिए कोई भी एडवर्स रिमार्क आया सेनेटर से, डेमोक्रेट पार्टी से? नो. हैव यू सीन एनी एडवर्स कमेंट ऑफ ट्रम्प्स कैबिनेट फ्रॉम द
No, but without the guy who
डेमोक्रेट नहीं,
the head of
total
the
overall, even when Nixon was impeached, almost impeached, he had to resign. I did not find any instance of Nixon's cabinet where the senators or the lower house had pinpointed about any of the scandals of Nixon's cabinet. Absolutely, I went through thoroughly. Nixon crook nikla, but look at his cabinet. Now this is where the